Mr. Sleepless here. Guess what day it is? Day 166 without drinking or smoking. There will come a day when nobody remembers how heavy the weight was. They won't remember how many miles you ran or how many hours you spent in the gym. What they'll remember is who you became because you refused to quit. Every workout is an opportunity to write a new chapter. A chapter where discipline defeats excuses, where effort overcomes doubt, where the person you are today meets the person you always wanted to be. Strength isn't measured by the weight you lift. It's measured by the moments you wanted to give up, but chose to keep going anyway. Those moments shape your character. They build the confidence that no one can give you and no one can take away. So when your body says it's enough, ask yourself one question. Is this really my limit? Or is this just where growth begins? Because every breakthrough starts where comfort ends. Mr. Sleepless is out.